Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. So today I'm going to share with you about chapter 5. So basically for chapter 5 in CNR 10303 train control system, I have prepared some of activities for you guys. So basically if you open our Google Classroom, you can right away look at the classwork over here, and I already prepared chapter 5 interlocking activities. Okay, so for these activities, all you have to do is you just read the instructions that I have prepared with you guys. So maybe I go through in terms of what you're going to have to do for this class activity. Okay. All right, if you look at the course activity, all right, so I think it's quite simple, or maybe quite simple, but since we're using online tools, so maybe I just brief you guys on how to do it. Okay, right, so basically what we're going to do in this activity is just to watch some of the curated videos. So basically I have go around looking for videos and related to our topic, and you just have to watch these videos. But before that, you have to click on this link. Okay, the first one is you have to create a group of 2 to 4%, right? So this is a group work, so you don't have to like uh, create so basically you have to work with your friends lah kan, so tak payahlah nak buat satu-satu kan. So you click this link, right? So it brings you to the Google Sheet form. So based on this, you just put in your names. Okay, so basically you can just put in your name, all right, and then your metric number according to the groups. All right, and if you look at on the right side here, it has a Google slide link. I have provided a Google slide link for every groups. Okay, so Google slide link, in this Google slide link is basically it's just a template lah. Okay, so if I click on here, so it will bring you to these templates. Okay, so you guys have some of the empty template lah. Alright, and then you can fill up with your names lah. Okay, your names and your profiles. You can put on your pictures and profile pictures, and also your expertise lah, or your expertise or the field of interest. Okay, so I can know lah which of the person have what kind of expertise or interest. Okay, so this basically just me trying to know you guys now. Okay, since we cannot get a face-to-face class, so this is the one of the form that I can use to get to know you guys. Okay, all right, so next we have some of the just a few questions lah. It's not really questions, it's just something that to get you to give you a kickstart lah in what you have to put in the slide notes. And maybe this is actually a tips lah for you guys to answer final question. Alright, so you can watch the videos, okay, the YouTube videos, and then related to the YouTube videos you can like screenshot and put notes, right? So I highly suggest that you put in terms of infographic style. Okay, it's something interesting and something of information, and not just words. Nobody going to read all that words. So you can put in graphic, you can put train picture inside, right? You can put here, and then you can put maybe mind maps, right? Graphs, anything related to the topic that you're trying to put in. Okay. Alright, so we go back to the instructions here. So basically have a few videos for you get started with the topic, and then over here I have suggested that you use the same Google slide lah. Alright, for example you want to have a different kind of apa nama layout or design, or so you can just change it, okay, depending on your creativity. But for me, I think this kind of layout is already fine. Okay, so basically all or just share the link. You can share the link with your colleagues, with your group mates, and you can work together in within this Google Slide at the same time. Okay, that's nice, because it's not just you can work at the same time. You can also, if you look on the top here, you can also give comments. You can give comments in which part of the slide that you need commenting lah. For example, I need, for example, you want to comment on the title kan. I need someone to help me with this, for example, right? You can just click comment, and your friends can check. Okay, your friends can look at, okay, they can look at the slide. Oh, Faiz Ashraf need help. Okay, so you can just uh, whether 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 reply, or you can just, for me, I can click resolve or something like that. Okay, so you can interact. So basically the bottom line is you can interact within this Google Slides. Right. So you can do this at your own time, whenever you are free. Then you can contribute. So I'm giving this task the whole week. All right. You can collaborate. You can contact with your group mates in terms of how you are going to go around this. Right. And you don't have, actually you don't have to really submit anything. When you put in information in these slides, it's already saved. You will automatically save, and I can look at your progress in real time. All right, so you can do it at your own time. Okay, for further info, for example, you have additional information. Yeah, you want to add in information from other external sources. That one is I highly encourage lah. Okay, you can add relevant information, graphic especially. Maybe you can do add in YouTube videos, YouTube videos, any other animation you want to put in, or any simulation you want to put in, then that's going to be great lah. All right. But I also practice good research practice lah. When you include sources from somewhere else, so it's a good practice to have a reference at the end of the slide. So if you look at this, we have a reference. So you put reference lah. So that is a good practice. All right. So number 6, discuss and comment. Okay, this one I already tell you. You can actually comment in this post itself. Actually, you can comment here, or better, you can actually comment within the slide itself. Okay, so that one is to show your interaction and also show your participation in the activity. All right. Alright, so basically participation for the activity is like the previous session, will be considered as a attendance lah. So if I look at that's why I need to look at who's the one in the contributors here. So for example, you create a 4%, but only 3% is doing the job, then you don't have to put the fourth person lah. So put the one who deserve uh, a recognition in the contributors. Okay, all right. Okay, I think that's about it. And if you have any question, then just WhatsApp me lah. Okay, and you can WhatsApp in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so hopefully you can get something good out of this. And oh yeah, so basically this activity is going to help you with the final exam. And number 2, if you look at the list here, actually each and every one of you from different groups, you can look at your the other groups work. Okay, for example, you are from group 1, you're doing this one, right? But you want to look at what group 2, 3, 4, 5 are doing. What kind of information that they have, then you can actually share the views, the ideas, the information that they have. So you can get a lot of inputs from not your group mates, but also from the other groups. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy this activity, and you have any issues or any suggestion or any question, then just you can ask it in WhatsApp groups, or you can WhatsApp me directly. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care semua, and goodbye.